what's that saying? Don't ever work with children or animals. You can add plasticine to that mix. This video has had to go into two parts simply because I was pushing the limits of what my phone could do and I just couldn't get it all onto one video. So watch out for part 2, which will be dropping straight after this one, and don't watch part 2 until you watch part 1. Or if you already know what the trapdoor is, then watch part 2 and miss out part 1. So the trapdoor was basically an animation from I think it was the late 80s. I think it ran for about 2 seasons, and it was just plasticine animation, and basically these characters lived in a castle where they used to get food from the trapdoor for their boss basically, and each week a new different monster would come out and create havoc for all of 3, 4, 5 minutes of the show running time. So what I'm doing here, I'm just making Boney. He was the skeleton head that just used to bounce around basically on screen. Just quite simple, no cutting, no gluing, just squishing, squashing and getting things together. And it's quite funny, the last time I played with plasticine was when I was a kid, and I used to make little toy soldiers with a head and a body, arms and legs, make lots and lots of them, and then just have battles with them, and just squish them and squash them and blow bits of arm and legs off. And while I was recording the voiceover, I had to chop bits out because some of the files had become corrupted and couldn't be used, hence why this one is only just over 3 minutes, but you basically get the general idea. So watch out for part 2. There's an animation, it's not for long, don't need to skip, and yeah, it's totally different to what I've been doing before, but it's a nice little break from the plastic junk scratch bashing that I usually do. Thanks for watching.